I will show you how to use that Mbtiles in your leaflet map. From here I will open this one offline leaflet. Here I have this data in Visual Studio Code. You have to go to file, then open folder. If you don't know how to install this Visual Studio Code, I have a tutorial on this and you can check this out. I will open this one offline leaflet. Okay, now I will create a new folder. Let's create a new folder, leaps, it means library. I will create 3 files. One is main.js, this is for JavaScript, and then .html, this is for HTML, and then style.css, this is for the style. In the index.html, type in here doc. In the title you can change the title. Let's say offline map. Now I have to put a leaflet library here. Go to this website leafletjs.com, you will find this one. From here go to download. From download leaflet you can either download this version and use directly into your code, but I want to use this one, this CDN version, so I'm copying this here. First one is for CSS and the second one is for JavaScript. So here I have to link my style CSS, so I have type here link, then dot. From here I select this one, style.css. Now in the body section I create a new div and give the ID name as, let's say, map. In the style section I will add style for this map. Okay, so this map. For the height I will use 100 view height, and I also have to add this main.js. So for this I will type here script, then provide the source here main.js. Now go to main.js, then go to tutorials. You will find this quick tutorial. I need this one, so I'm copying this one and paste here. This one should be similar to this one. Okay, now you have to provide lat long position here. Here I have already collect this one, lat long. Copy this and paste it here. This one is the latitude and this one is the longitude. Now I will add these Mbtiles here, and before that I need to add libraries for this Mbtiles in index.html. In the Google you have to search this one, leaflet Mbtiles. Okay, you will find this address. Now open this. From here you will find all the instruction for using this library. Now I have to add this SQL.js library. I'm copying this one and paste it here. Let's first comment this as Mbtiles library. And then I have to include this one, leaflet tilelayer Mbtiles. Now here is the problem. If you copy this address and search it in Google, you will see this message, cannot find package. Okay, here is the corrected link for the address. I'm just copying this and paste it here. I will also add this one in the description of this video. If you want you can download this. Now I will add these two Mbtiles here. Let's get a first variable. First one is Bing map. You can provide any variable name here. Then you have to provide your, this is the first Mbtiles of Bing map. I'm copying this and paste it here. Now type here dot add to map. From here you have to provide that minimum zoom level. When I create these Mbtiles, I use minimum zoom level 17, so I'm typing here 17. Now if we run this by using open live server, here is our Mbtiles of Bing map. Okay, and the same way I'm copying this one and paste it here. This one is, let's say, OSM, OpenStreetMap, and let's copy the second Mbtiles and paste it here. So here is our second Mbtiles layer of OpenStreetMap. In order to show these two tile layers, let's create a pen by using this code map.create. Let's say image pen. You can provide any name here. Then map.get pen. Type here this one, image pen dot. Now I'm going to add the style dot get index. Now get index is equal, let's say, 20. Now I have to add this image pen style to our second layer. Type comma and then second bracket, type pen is this one, image pen. Copy this and paste it here. It should be create pen, not create. This is how I can load these two Mbtiles layer. Let's create another function to find the coordinate to put these Mbtiles in the middle of this window. So for this, type here map dot. Then click. When I click on the map, it will create a zone. Let comma e dot let long dot let plus comma then plus e dot let long dot. Now I am clicking on here, get the coordinate of this position. Here it is, let long. Now I am copying this and replace here. It is very useful for mobile application and field work or survey work. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks to all for watching my video.